Go. You're supposed to fire it!
Oh, man. My bad. Oh, that like came off there that time. I don't know why I did that.
That was easy.
You again? Well, I was... Wait. Weren't you in that room? Own more than one room. Now, do you mind? I'm trying to sleep with my future wife here. Now, if you don't get out, I'm gonna shoot you. You okay, Angela?
I'm okay. I'm just glad that me and Man isn't gonna bother us anymore.
Yeah, it's okay. Get back to sleep.
Okay.
Oh boy. What? Aw, oh, come on! Oh, you've got to be kidding me. How can I run into the same room where you are again? I mean, like how many rooms do you and your crazy wife, Angela, whatever, own? What did you just say about Angela? Uh-oh. That's it. Oh, crap. Oh! Oh! Oh, Jesus. Have more than one room. Now, do you mind? You don't. I'm trying to sleep with my own future wife. Now, if you don't get out of my room, I'm gonna shoot you.
Don't throw you the gun.
Wait, did I? Just do it over again. Here we go. Yep. Ready? There you go. Wait until I get to this spot, and we gotta make sure it shows that you there too. Ready? Here we go.
Here's my easy button.
There's no easy button.
Thought I had an easy button.
Stop button. No. Hey, wanna switch guns?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're like. Sure.
No, it's like I have the crap, what's it called?
Your
Like
catch.
gun.
Wait, try practice your catch. Fail.
Try that again.
There you go.
No, I have to do it better.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
One-handed.
Careful. Don't drop it. If you break it, you buy it.